Copy is all the words that are on the page, whether they're the list of names, the headlines, the quotes that you might have, a story that you might tell, the caption of a photograph. It is every single thing that it requires a word. There are copy headlines like the primary and the secondaries that we were talking about. And there are copy captions. I love this. Do you all know what a colophon is? Mr. Warden, do you know what a colophon is?
No, I don't think I've ever heard that.
Okay, a colophon is a page spread that tells the story about how the yearbook was made. This is a fabulous one from Garden Grove High School. Absolutely beautiful. Here is everything that is about how the book was made and the special thank yous. And then here's the team and beautiful little cutouts with all these wonderful little captions about the kinds of things that they said. And here's the advisor right here in his apron telling everybody that he's got some food for them. I think he kept them well fed. So captions provide the action, the fun, the memories, and the better they are told, the better the memories are embedded into the book. And Jessica told you really good ways in which to do that. So here is what your assignment is. Go back to your layout designs. And in those layout designs, I'd like you to try to get visual hierarchy, to organize the order of importance of the content of your page spread. I want you to think about, will I use symmetry? Will I use asymmetry? Will I use columnar? Will I use grid or geometric design? You must have primary and secondary headings. You must have lead and reference photographs, and you must have copy with both headlines and captions. So how do you know that you will have a successful spread design? Your functionality will be compelling and attractive. Clarity will be effective communication throughout the entire layout. Consistency, you will be able to read your page spread so well. It will be easy to figure out what's going on that page. You, as the yearbook designer, will have total control of the person who is looking at that page. Okay? All right, that's it.